Alright, I am back. Took a trip and grabbed some, actually I didn't grab silica, I grabbed some glass microspheres, and that will thicken this up as well. Give it a little bit more added strength. So I'll go ahead and finish mixing this up and try to get this damn thing installed. Alright, so mixed the hell out of this. This is the consistency I'm kind of looking for. You know? It's not sagging very much at all. So I'm going to go ahead and mix some partner. So this is the same stuff. I think instead of 5-to-1, instead of 4-to-1, like West, this is 5-to-1. That's what it is. Alright, this is mixed up pretty good. I'm gonna bring it down to where I need to be. Got a couple trowels with me. Alright, this is the spot here. Got a bunch of scrap coosa that we're just throwing in here. Not really worried about structural integrity too much because this is just a small pair underneath. Plus it's all epoxy and this is all staggered, so should be good. So all my pieces are out. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get this back in the same way I took it out. Get this stuff right in there. So I'm basically making a big mess in here. I've resorted to using my hands because that seems to be the best way to get this scoop to go where I need it to go. So piece. I don't really have any tiny pieces. Oh yeah, that's working good. nothing all gooped up. I'm gonna fill a couple of these lower spots a little bit more, and then try to lay some glass over it and see how that looks. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my glass and mix up some resin real quick. A little bit of resin hardener. I'm gonna go ahead and wet this down real good and lay the fiber on top and then smooth it out. Alright, so I've got this glass wet out. It's on my mouth apparently. And that's about it really. Smooth it out. But if you made this far, go ahead, subscribe, and look for this next video. Like the video. Thanks a lot. Makes me happy.